Okay guys, the lighting's being super weird right now. Hey everyone, it's me Sadrina and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do another $10 budget shopping challenge. I've got a total of $10 here, but this time we're going to do it at Five Below. I've been wanting to do this ever since I saw the dollar section at Five Below. This should be a breeze, or at least I'm hoping it is. Of course I'm gonna be in the $1 section for this because I can get more things within $10, and I think I'm gonna start off with this daily facial spray because I have the Tower 28 version, but it's so expensive. So if this works the same and has all the same ingredients, I'm definitely gonna give it a try. Hopefully this actually clears my skin so I can start getting this one and save some money. But guys, this section is not looking as good as the last one did when I filmed a whole vlog on these. Of course, this section has to be right by the speaker. It's so loud, this music. I don't know, it's giving we're gonna have to go to another Five Below to see. Beauty Phase, I haven't seen this, but look at that packaging. Ooh, you get 2 for $3. This reminds me of... Not me forgetting the name, I actually don't know. Wait, it just came to me. It reminds me of Jisoo. The packaging looks just like Jisoo packaging, except that it seems to be less product. Luminous Lips Glossy Lip Oil Duo. They also have a 2-piece Shimmer Butter Duo. So is this a lip balm? I'm not fully sure. Oh, Shimmer Butter Lip Gloss. All of these are actually $3 and it comes with 2 in each. Ooh, I like this. This is a lip balm and lip gloss, PH. And they have multiple shades, as you can see. Ooh, not the liquid blush and liquid highlighter too. Okay, they didn't come to play. This is Smoke and Mirrors. This is the same brand that has that Dupe for Summer Fridays, the lip balm. The lighting's being super weird right now, but I'm back from the first Five Below and all I got was the daily facial spray. $1 has been spent, which means we definitely have to go to another Five Below. I know they have more products than this one did. This means we definitely have to go to another Five Below. I think it's finally time for me to try out one of these Drunk Elephant dupes. So I'm getting the moisturizing night cream. Look how cute these products are. It's about time for me to get at least one of them. I was contemplating getting this one, but it looks a little too touched, especially the one in the back. What is going on? This is $5, so that's really eating up our budget. Half of it. Let's make sure this has the pump, because I haven't had a lotion with that like pressable pump yet. It does. Wait, this is so cute. Love to see it. Let's add this to the basket. That's bringing our total to $6. I could probably buy like 3 more things. Wait a minute, guys. I want to be a Pilates princess. Why do I want to get a yoga mat? Are these good though? Have you guys tried the yoga mats from here? You have pink and purple. I feel like I don't need this too much at home, but at school this would be cute. These are $5.95 though. It's gonna be too much. The pink weights, oh my gosh. It's summertime and I have the time to work out and I've been trying to stay fit, and this would just make it even cuter to stay fit, if that makes sense. Look at these tiny 1-pound dumbbells. Can't forget about the Stanley dupes. Look at this color. This is so nice. I love a light purple. Like anything light pink and light purple I want. So cute. Then again, I can't forget that I actually have one already, so me buying another is just overspending at this point. But they're really getting me. I really have to think, because the way I rationalize my spending is like this. The self-care products that I buy, that's basically my job. I buy it if I want to test it out or if I want to use it for content to show you guys, test things out for you guys that you recommend. Everything else, it's like, do I really need it and am I really going to use it? Because I don't want to buy a yoga mat and then never use it. To be real, you don't ever really need a yoga mat. It just makes it more comfortable when you're doing like stretches or working out. This is huge. It's a huge weight, 8 pounds. It doesn't feel like 8 pounds though, but I guess it's because I'm not really lifting. I think I'm gonna go ahead and get this hydrating body butter in strawberry. I scent tested both the strawberry and the vanilla. I'm not gonna lie, I did not like the vanilla. It just has that off-putting vanilla scent to it. The strawberry was okay though, and it's only $1. Since I'm always shopping for self-care makeup dupes, I'm thinking of doing a video where I compare the dupes with the name brand products, and I actually have the mini Sol de Janeiro body cream, so I'm thinking to get this to compare it to. What do you guys think? Like this video and comment down below if you want to see a video like that. I've decided I'm gonna make this challenge a little bit easier for me because there's just too many options here. We're not counting tax. I spent $1 on the facial spray. It's gonna be $5 for the facial cream and $1 for the body butter. That's $3 left to spend, and look what I found. That's $3. hand sanitizer spray. I've showed this to you guys so many times. It's giving I need to just try it out, but I just don't know which scent I should get because there's strawberry fizz, fresh linen. I'm kind of leaning towards this because I feel like you can't go wrong with a fresh scent, and vanilla dream. I also love vanilla. I'm just scared, is this the pleasant vanilla or the bad kind of vanilla? I don't know. Any other scents? Also pink sugar. I don't know. What's interesting is that this is actually $2 cheaper than the Wish hand sanitizer they have here. They have this for $5, but they're so similar to me. I don't know what's up today, but the lighting is just so bad. I think it's because it's later in the day than when I usually film. It's been a long day, guys. Because we're not factoring in tax, I literally hit exactly $10. Let me show you guys everything I got. This was the most expensive item. $5 for my Danny Beauty nighttime facial cream. $1 for this hydrating body butter, strawberry scented. $3 for this hydrating and moisturizing hand sanitizer. I'm gonna have to put this to the test. This fresh linen, it better actually be fresh though. The fact that I got this over vanilla, I'm hoping it's good, but it's good to try new things. And then of course the daily facial spray that I got from the first Five Below. I don't know, what do you guys think? 4 items for $10, is that good or is it bad? Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please make sure to give it a like, comment down below, subscribe down below, share this video, hit that notification bell, and do not forget to check out my Instagram and my TikTok, both at Peachy Queen Official. And I'll see y'all next time. Love y'all. Bye.